There's our van. Day 3 in Tassie. We're gonna go see a waterfall. Hey G. We were freezing last night and my voice is getting worse. All these stairs. All the stairs. That's where we're headed to next. Queenstown. So this is supposed to be summertime, but I'm freezing. All of us have our cameras out. He's vlogging. He's taking videos. He's taking pictures. And then Rich is just chilling. Nice. Summertime. Do I look like I'm ready for summer? We're down at the beach.
13 degrees.
13 degrees.
Beautiful beach weather.
Yeah, we're all layered up. Rich, what are we doing after this?
We're gonna go to some sand dunes. Hopefully it warms up. Pretty cold the last couple of days.
Yeah, really cold.
Not ideal.
No, but it's supposed to get better, so we'll see. we're spilling some of the sand. And then look at to the max. If you're wondering why we're putting to the max, it's because Franco's email is Franco to the max. So we're giving him a hard time. By spelling it in the sand.
It started out as being a hard time, but now it's an actual thing.
It's an actual thing now. Well, that was a fun pit stop. We're going back on the road.
Much later.
We made it to the sand dunes. We gotta hike up that first. Oh my gosh. We made it.
We made it up the dunes.
We made it up the dunes.
Yeah, we made it.
Oh my god.
He's made up the dunes.
So we all went our separate ways in sand dunes. Just so much walking, I have like dry mouth, it's terrible. And I'm losing my voice still, so you know, but it's great. We're having so much fun out here in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I like Tasmania.
Later.
So here's our campsite for the night. We've set up everything. We're going on a hike tomorrow. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's also freezing. We are not ready for the cold.
Hey,
Gee.
8K in less than an
You
hour.
look so warm. I can't even.
I don't need to hold my neck up.
I know. We're all so cold. We're sticking blankets underneath our jackets.
Fucking horrible. And now we don't have
Towel.
music. Way to go, G.
Oh, did it
Towel.
die?
Charging the thing.
No, you don't have a towel.
I
You have a
can't
blanket.
charge it because I need a wall
Is
thing.
it dead?
Me and Rich are the only ones with no towel or blanket at the moment.
That's because Rich runs at 127 degrees and you're in 17 layers.
So I don't want to hear it.
I'm
And
not
Rich has a
layers.
wall.
I'm in
You are
like
in
two
17
or
layers.
I'm a
three.
natural boiler.
I'm in one. Okay, one. With a blanket.
That's your fault.
Exactly.
Oh god, we're having competition.
We're having comment. How warm am I?
We're all just really cold. basically.
Franco's wearing a towel.
I'm wearing a towel. It's not even a blanket, it's a towel.
This is amazing.
Oh my god, gee.
Oh, this is so good.
Gee, you look so tiny on camera.
Okay, now I can't drink
The kid from a
food.
Christmas story.
Yeah.
That looks like a
Oh my
wicked Mario
god.
mustache.
It's to me. The Bomber Mario.
It's gonna be cold.
Oh my god.
Day 4 in Tasmania, guys, and look what it is, another waterfall. We have been dying in the cold. I have not gotten any sleep, as you can tell. We're just going on a little hike. We camped the night here, and yeah, there's Frank over there. that little person right there. There's Ethan taking pictures. Hello, darling.
Warm.
Warm. Did you get any sleep last night? Yeah, barely. We slept in the cab of our camper van or car, whatever. We didn't sleep in the tent because it was way too cold. These waterfalls though. Time to go test out suspension bridge. Suspension bridge. I don't know if you can hear me. Oh my god. He's scared of heights too. How you doing? So cool. There's the waterfall.
For the record, I don't like heights, like falling ability.